Hi, I am grading some discussion boards, and I thought I would give you a little hint on how to clean up the formatting when you copy and paste something into a discussion board. I don't know if you've noticed that sometimes copied and pasted material changes the background colors. Sometimes it extends the margins out where it gets wider than the screen. Let me show you how to fix that. So I'm just using this reading discussion and open forum that nobody has anything in yet. And I'm creating a thread that I'm just going to call test post. Now, I copied some material from a class discussion that had different background colors and different kinds of fonts in it. And if you recognize this as yours, it's not a criticism. A lot of people have issues like this, and it's not a grading issue in most cases if it doesn't violate any other rules, and if you cite the stuff you copied correctly. But here I've got this, and you'll notice even in this view, we've got different color backgrounds, different fonts, and there's some white and blue or gray, whatever that is, and everything changes. I'll go ahead and submit it and show you, it ends up looking like this. And there are some that are worse than this, but that's kind of, I don't know, funny looking. So I'm going to go back in and edit it. You might not have the edit button. I'm not sure. You might have to do this in your first post because I am the professor. But over here, notice these chevrons I just clicked on. I think when you go in to do a discussion, yours is going to look like this. And you got these little down arrows or chevrons over here. You push them and you get more editing buttons. The key one is this one right here. It's a little rectangle. When I highlight it, it says remove formatting. And that's supposed to look like a pencil eraser being pushed on a paper. So what I do is I highlight, in this case, all the text. Sometimes you might only need to highlight part of it. And I click remove formatting, and look at that. Everything's in a uniform font. The background colors are gone. Let me submit this again. And you see how much cleaner that is when I've removed the formatting. Now, a warning, I'll show you, I'll go back into edit. And let's say that this paragraph here, I'm going to turn it into a bullet list. So let's say my pasting had bullets in it. Well, now if I go in and remove formatting, my bullets are gone. It takes bullet points out. You can put them back like I did it just there. You highlight the part you want to do bullets and you click this bullet point up here. It will take out bold. It will take out italics. You'll notice one thing it didn't take out is this is an active link. You might want to remove a link. If you need to remove a link, highlight the link, and instead of the format eraser, use these linking buttons here. This one says remove link. I push it, and the link is gone. Okay, I hope that helps. It may take a little getting used to. Feel free to get in touch with me if you have questions.